First, set your grill in an open area. Unpack all of the parts. The legs, the arms with attached hub and cables, the grate, and the side table. Lay the hub on the ground with the arms spread out. Grasp the cable in one hand and slide the arm into the hub. Attach the remaining arms to the hub. With the upper assembly upside down on the ground, attach the legs. Insert the legs into the bottom of the arms and snap into place. Do not twist the cable around the leg because the grill will not be able to travel up and down. Slide the handle into the leg before attaching it to the arm. Flip the frame assembly right side up and unfold the grate. Place the grate on the ground and place the frame onto the grate. Make sure the legs are in the loops. The non-looped corner of the grate needs to be next to the leg with the handle. Raise the handle and pull down the cables. Lift one end of the grate and attach the cable with the clamp. Now attach the remaining cables. Spray cooking spray into the hub and raise the grate using the handle at the same time. Doing this the first time you use your grill will lubricate the cables. Attach the side table with the wing nut screw. Do not place the bracket over the cable or the grate will not be able to be moved. The side table can be placed on any leg at any level, but it is best if it is not on the leg with the handle. For easy cleanup after your delicious meal, spray the grate with cooking spray. Set your quad pod over the hot coals and start cooking. Lightweight and portable, Quad Pod Campfire Grill by Grate Made Outdoors. Field tested and approved by the North American Hunting Club.